You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in Argentina or Argentina, in Mendoza, famous for its wine production in particular. If you want to learn more wine names, by the way, stay tuned, we've got tons more. The Spanish or Argentine pronunciation, Luján, with a stress on that second syllable, Luján, because you have an accent there. If you cannot pronounce the H, you can replace it with an H, Luján De Cuyo. That would be Spanish. Luján De Cuyo. Okay, Luján De Cuyo. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.